my child. You should never regret going after what makes your heart happy, even if it has ended in hurt. Instead, you should feel so beyond proud of yourself for being brave enough to chase what makes you feel alive. There are some person out there who are too afraid to chase their dreams, who admire that strength in you. You should always feel proud of yourself for knowing what you want and taking steps to obtain it. So, I hope you never regret anything that becomes such an important part of your journey of finding happiness and discovering who you are as a person. Type yes if you agree. This message is simply a reminder from your guardian angel and spirit guides. They want to remind you that no matter what you may face, they will continue to stay by your side. They are letting you know that you can handle what is next for you. They will be supporting, encouraging, guiding and uplifting you every single step of the way. They have been walking with you, silently holding your hand throughout it all. As you step forward, ask them for support, strength, courage, guidance and clarity, and it will appear. Type yes if you agree and also subscribe the channel. Thank you.